Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start with the macaroni. In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad with Nata De Coco. Boil 2 cups of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process and remove excess starch. This step is crucial for a good texture. Set the cooled macaroni aside while you prepare the other ingredients. Now, let's create that signature creamy dressing. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of condensed milk for a touch of sweetness. Next, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Whisk all these ingredients together until the dressing is perfectly smooth and all components are fully incorporated. This forms the delicious base. With the dressing ready, it's time to add the stars of our salad. Dice 1/2 cup of cooked ham and 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese into small, bite-sized pieces. Make sure to drain 1 cup of Nata De Coco and 1/2 cup of pineapple tidbits thoroughly to avoid excess liquid. Gently fold these prepared ingredients, along with the cooled macaroni, into your creamy dressing until everything is evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the macaroni salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the salad to chill thoroughly. Before serving, give it a gentle stir and garnish with some fresh parsley for a pop of color. It's perfect for any gathering. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.